Hi everyone, I'm just gonna dive into Solana once again and very quickly here. Before I tell you today's update, okay, I'm gonna tell you something that I said yesterday in yesterday's update, okay?
And I'm gonna show you another bearish pattern that I look. This is your first top, this is your second top, okay? Right now we do have a neckline right there. This is your level of support right here. We haven't broken, and wherever you break the double top like this, from here to here, this is where we're gonna go down, and that takes you to 187.
Right, so the double top did play, okay, and it played very beautifully. I'm just gonna go into the 1 hour time frame once again, and in here, look at this, okay? just as I explained in the video. Now this was your first top, this was your second top. That's the neckline. We broke it, okay, and we went all the way down, okay? This is your technical target from the top there to the bottom right here. Look, this is where you break out, right on the money. This is where you actually came, okay? If anyone had this trade, if you were listening very carefully, you saved almost like 4%, okay? 4 to 5% of your money. That's still a save you can make, okay? That's just a save you can make. Now the title of the video is the double top. The next is the head and shoulders, okay? Now what do I mean by this? The double top has played out on the 1 hour time frame. Now if I switch to the 4 hour time frame, this is the 3 hours, okay? Now I'm gonna switch to the 4 hour time frame, but we haven't seen the double top, the head and shoulders. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, this is your right shoulder, and this is picture perfect. This is your neckline right there, okay? I still have to see the head and shoulders playing out right now, okay? Now I'm going to tell you the technical targets as well. So this from here to here, okay? And you might want to start breaking out a little bit like so. Go to 177, come back, try to get the retest, be rejected, and that's it. Bye. See you so. And this is where I'm going to buy. Okay? This is where I'm going to buy. I'm going to remind you once again, from the top to the bottom, wherever you break out, this is where you break out. These are your technical targets, 148, or let's say, safe to say 150, okay? I'm gonna put a horizontal line right there. Now this line right here was for the double top, but I don't think this one's gonna play out, because we used to have a double top like this one, the first top and the second top, okay? So wherever you break out for these two double top like this, I'm gonna show you from the top to the bottom right there. This was your neckline, okay? So this is where you break out. You just come here to the nearly the $160 region, okay? Now this one is also valid. You could just come here and actually never even come down here, but it doesn't make sense to me, because the pattern is always valid, okay? It is always logical to go down here, unless we don't start to pick business towards the upside, okay? Maybe come down to the 160 region, bounce from here, move towards the upside. But I do think it's very likely that we're gonna bounce from this area. Now the reasons why I do this, because I'm gonna do some technical reasons and some technical reasoning logic with you to back up my theory, okay? This is an experiment, okay? Not a financial advice. I do not give any financial advice, but I'm just giving you a particular scenario that can play out, okay? This is where you break out of the head and shoulders, drop in that horizontal line of 150 or 49, and that's where you have an area of influence as well, because if I do take the trend line from here to there, I'm gonna show you have a lot of touches. Look, once you got rejected here, okay, you find support here as well. So one touch, two touch, three touch, 4, 5, few touches right here, another touch right here. This acted as a resistance, another resistance right there. Went up, we find support here, we find resistance, and so this line is so important. It does make sense that we actually gonna come down to this area, okay? And that's also the target of the head and shoulders. Now through the Fibonacci retracements, I'm gonna draw this very quickly from the top, which was $215, the previous swing high, and this was the September dump all the way down there, and you're gonna see what Solana is doing, okay? So it takes you nearly the 0.382, okay? Now this is a golden ratio as well, okay? Just as the 0.618 is a golden ratio, that's a golden ratio. If you ever lose this golden ratio, which is the 0.382, $147, okay, this one here, then you're gonna create a reversal trend, and it's likely that you're gonna go even more down towards the $116 area. So this is a good level of support. and a good level to buy Solana. So yeah, Solana has to decide the head and shoulders. Yeah, so that's it for Solana's update today. I do hope you enjoy this small update. Thank you so much for the support, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new Solana video update. Thank you so much.